Well, it's a beautiful Monday as I produce this video. How you guys doing? All right. I'd like to talk about Live Good, all right? So do a little pouring of a drinky and let's talk a little bit about this great opportunity, okay? Now, if you've already joined Live Good, you're probably well aware of the products, okay? They're awesome. I think you'll enjoy them. And the best part about Live Good products, you have 3 months, guys, 90 days. So if you buy something today, just in about 80 days, ask yourself, well, did I even use the product? Did I get an effect? Did I feel better? Did I have energy? We have a lot of products. It's really up to you. We even have Live Good hats and t-shirts and other stuff, okay? And you guys can see all of this on the Live Good website, okay? I'm a big fan of Live Good. I became a part of this company as just a customer, okay? I was just buying, you go to Walmart.com and Amazon. I was buying a product with Live Good called Super Reds and Super Greens. You can see them, I think, over on my fridge there. You can see, 2 or 3 white containers. I'm a big fan of those products. And then I became a member of Live Good because for $9.95 a month, I was saving about $30 to $40. So spend 10 to save 30 to 40. It was just made sense, right? Then I could buy more Hot Wheels and stuff to hang on my walls. After that, right around, Live Good became an affiliate December 13th of 2022. I came aboard March going into April. All right. So for about 3 or 4 months, Live Good was just kicking some butt, taking some names, signing up people all over the world as affiliates, as members too. And then I said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to spend $40 and be an affiliate. So if I do a video like this, maybe someone would like to look into Live Good, join. And if I can earn commissions based on the membership side, maybe I can make $50 to $100 a month, which is about the amount I wanted to spend each month on the products. Okay, not only just Super Reds and Super Greens, but I'm a big fan of protein powder, chocolate, vanilla. We've got magnesium, and we have E3, this nice product for energy, and we have a lot of other stuff. But that was my goal personally, was just if I can make $50 to $100, that's what I want to spend on the products. So anyway, 1 month turns to 2 to 3, and here it is almost 2 years later, because I'm producing this video at the end of January of 2025, okay? I've rose to number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million members and affiliates. I've got 400, and I think I got 401 people just signed up personally, directly underneath me. That's awesome, 400 people. All right, good folks all over the world, from Africa, Alabama, all over the Asian areas. Down under, New Zealand, New Guinea, Africa's a blast. And the Asian ones are crazy because it's 15 hours ahead where I live here in Utah. Okay, so, let's say it's noon here. It's already the next day, 3 in the morning. And oh my God, it's just so crazy. I'm not used to meeting people worldwide. Okay, I'm almost 60. And when you get older, normally you get less friends, not more. So I got to admit, it's fun to get up, someone emails you from like Argentina. The next day it could be India. All right, then maybe someone just saw me on Facebook. Okay, I'm a big fan of just promoting Live Good this simple way by just getting a business card. I bought joincory.com and it forwards to my Live Good capture page, which you'll get too if you join. Okay, so if you have $9.95 a month, $40 one time. That's all it is, guys. $40, one and done. You're an affiliate. You don't have to buy products. We don't commission the product side of Live Good. That's why we're so successful. We're a wholesale company where you can buy our products and just gulp them up. All right, you got 90-day guarantee, but if you want to resell them too, you can. If you have a gym, if you want to sell them online like Amazon or the back of your trunk. I always think someone pulls up in a truck or maybe a van with shag carpeting and they have a whole bunch of Live Good products selling in the parking lot. Okay, it's up to you. You can retail. I focus on just being an affiliate where I find you, all right, by you click the link and you watch a short video, and that's it. I keep it real simple. All right, and it seems to work. All right, to get to number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million people, that's exciting for me because I don't do this business. I don't have 5 to 10 years of building a list and just building other opportunities where they burn out and then you go to the next one and the next one. Okay. I'm not that guy. I just like to buy business cards for 30 bucks at Vistaprint, buy a domain name like joincory.com, and that's it. So here's just a copy straight off my webpage with Vistaprint. Okay, Join Cory. I made it white so it jumps off this red background. I like sports cars. So this exact business card was just on Vistaprint.com's website. And for about 25 bucks, I got a big old box that'll last me probably a year or two. And I rounded the corners for like 25 cents. But I thought this was a cool looking simple card. Okay, there's my email address. There's my name. There's my domain. But do you notice how the domain is the main focal point? Because I want you to go to joincory.com. And then if you join, maybe we can go to the next level of whatever that is. But you just want to see, or do you even want to buy the products or not? And if you want to be an affiliate. Okay. So please do a favor for me. All right. Why don't you go and check out all the products yourself? All right. This is the products tab on livegood.com. Every product, all of our seals of approval, organic. All right. We've got packages. So if you buy a bunch of products, you get a better deal, of course. And here's some shirts and hats and some other cool stuff, little hoodies if you're cold out there. Okay, so check out the products. Now go to the FAQ. See the FAQ? There it is. Bunch of questions. Just click each line and they're answered. Simple, right? Then the pay plan. Everyone's like, well, how do you make money if you don't commission the products? Well, we're a membership-based company. We're like Costco. We're like Amazon. We are like, let's say, Netflix, even a golf course. All right, you got to pay fees. Well, we're a membership company. That's all. All right. So go down to the bottom of the web page or your cell phone, however you're looking at this website. See where it says pay plan here on the left of your screen? It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Now click it. You go to this page, scroll down, and just read the 7 ways we get paid. 7, guys, not 3, not 4, not even 5 or 6. 7 different opportunities, and they add up. Now get to the bottom, and there's a web, or I guess not a web page, there's a YouTube video on the web page, and just watch it. I think this is the easiest way to explain the comp plan, and most people are in a video anyway. Looking at the web pages here, they're kind of boring, but the video's not. Well done. And just watch it 2 or 3 times, and don't try to explain the comp plan to anybody. Just do what I just did. Just go to the pay plan, little link there, go to the bottom and watch the YouTube video. It works. Trust me, it definitely works. Please, if you want to copy what I do, I hope you do. All right. Over a 1 to 2 year period, I've really refined it down to just inviting people to a link, and that's it. One and done. Okay. So if you have $49.95, $40 is the one and done. The $9.95 you got to pay each month. Now, if you want to save money, and if you have $100, you can buy, 12 months for the price of 10, and it's up to you. All right, I don't make any more or any less. It's just if you want the convenience of just paying, getting it done, and then in a year in your back office, it'll just say, hey, your year's up. Click this button to join again by the month or by the year. Okay, it's totally up to you. So go to joincory.com. All right, and if you're in, you're in. If you're out, you know what? Thanks for the last 8 or 9 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm excited that you're watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel too, and I always have videos popping up by my head here at the end. And that's it. My work is done. Okay, you guys have a good day, and thanks again for your time. Talk to you later, guys.